Greetings YouTube. This is a quick video showing this Intermountain F7 that I have had on the channel before when I did a decoder and a light install on it. This was my first ever installation of one of these rotating beacons from Rapido. It also has headlights backwards and forward, and number board lights, and green lights in the classification. And its job is to pull a short commuter train just these three cars here, which are Bachmann's Spectrum heavyweight passenger cars. These cars are factory lighted. This is cruising about 70 scale miles per hour. Pretty prototypical.